Let's talk about two AI tools that make the perfect match when you want to build an email list to make money online. Just last month, I made $1,000 a month following my proven top strategy, which is traffic to an offer and then adding people to an email list. In steps 4 and 5 of my proven top strategy, my focus is on building my email list. And the tool that I use to do that is called Lead Creator. Here you can see a Lead Creator lesson, which you can see it's lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about, in this case, ho ho, hold on to your wallet, crafting the ultimate Christmas vacation savings plan. So the idea here was very simply, if I was in the personal finance niche and I wanted to create a saving plan for a end of year Christmas vacation, this is the prompt that I would use. Just very simply, create me a savings plan about saving for an end of year vacation using the micro course creator with image suggestion. Now, this template is part of Lead Creator right here. You just simply go inside of Lead Creator and click this green button, and then you can pick any of the templates. The reason I chose this template, micro course creator with image suggestions, is because inside of this, what it does is it suggests an image, a colorful pie chart showing different budget categories. For example, travel, accommodation, food, and activities. If I was to take this and then go over to something called napkin, and I was to select a new napkin and then take that text that you saw here from Lead Creator and create this image, because that's what napkin, or it's one of the things napkin can do, is create this image. If you click this little icon here, you see the power of these two start to come together as this starts to generate an image for you. And here there's multiple different styles of images to include the pie chart that I created down here, the one that I chose because it was a pie chart, but also understand that there's all these other different images, and this is actually a free tool, Napkin AI. It's in beta, it's free right now, but you can see it's generating these tools. And the reason I said you can bind these together, because Lead Creator doesn't have this capability. So if you go back to Lead Creator, then we would just insert that image right here inside of this lesson. Of course, this was using AI to build this lead magnet, and it suggested this image. And then we would just add this image right here by clicking Add Image from Napkin AI. Here, we're going to select this little category here, this little image. We're going to export that image. We're going to export it as a PNG, and we're just going to simply download that. Then we're going to go back to Lead Creator and select that again, image. And we'll go under downloads. Here's that visual element right there. We'll go ahead and select that. It'll take a second here to upload. And then now, right, we use this suggestion, a colorful pie chart showing different budget categories. Example, travel, accommodation, food, and activities. And of course, this might not be the right percentage, but you get the idea. We have simply just created or inserted an image. And again, that came from this prompt here inside of Lead Creator from the template using micro course creator with image suggestions. Then we take that image suggestion from Lead Creator, and we delete that image suggestion after we use it inside of, and I deleted too much there, inside of Napkin. We created that right here. But let's take this a step further, because we want to do this for lesson 2. You can see down here a step-by-step diagram showing a savings timeline with milestones. But what if we wanted to not create these one at a time? We want to take that original prompt that we had here, a personal savings finance plan. We'll go ahead and copy that original prompt, personal finance saving plan for a end of year Christmas vacation. We'll take that back to Napkin, and we'll put that here inside of Napkin. And to do that, you can see that I've created this entire step-by-step plan with Napkin. To do that, you simply just go to New Napkin, or you clear it off the board. You go to New Napkin and you go ahead and draft with AI, and you just put that prompt in right here and you select continue, and that will draft this document really sort of exactly like what we did inside of Lead Creator. But Lead Creator allows you to create the squeeze page and the opt-in form to build your email list, where Napkin AI doesn't do that. But check this out. Set a budget, travel costs, accommodation, food, activities, souvenirs. Check this out. You click this little icon right here. What's it going to do? It's going to do exactly what we did a second ago. And it's going to start generating images right here. Then you just hover over these images and you pick the image that you like, the image that tells a story. What are the key expenses for the vacation? Travel cost, accommodation, food, activities. And again, you just take that and you're saving it. Or if you like this output better, you could just take all this because it would create that image for you. And again, you just hover over this little creator here, select the style that you like. Maybe you like this style a little better, and you just go ahead and you select that style. It adds that image. So then you have all this information, and you're going to pair Napkin AI with Lead Creator AI. In this case, you're just going to select everything here. And here you can see I highlighted everything, and I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to go back to the Lead Creator interface, create a lead magnet. In this case, instead of using one of the templates like Micro Course Creator with image suggestions, I'm just going to select a blank lead magnet. Of course, I could give it a name. Here, I'm just going to call it Test 1. And I'm going to select the category of test. Of course, these would be the options that you would choose and pick when you set up your tool. But test 1, test, and then I'm going to select create, and it's going to give me a blank canvas, just like we saw with that blank napkin. And then at that point, I'm just going to paste that in, and check this out. It is pasted in all of those elements. And here, then I can just start to edit that. If I want to change this here to a heading 1, I just utilize the power of Lead Creator now. And then I have my personal finance saving plan for end of year Christmas vacation. Step 1, set a budget, and then it goes through the travel costs, accommodations, food, and you have this nice little image again right here that you can now resize inside of Lead Creator. Lead Creator also has this cool option here where you can create columns, and you do that right here by selecting create column. So for example, if you wanted 2 columns, you could then easily just create a column here, and then you could just drag and drop this element right here inside of this column. And now that element is inside of a column. So then if you wanted to enhance this and say, I want to put this text here inside of here, and say I want to make this or expand on this, I can just right here inside of Lead Creator, click AI, improve writing, fix grammar, make shorter, make longer. I'll just go ahead and select make longer. The AI is starting to think. And then once it starts to think, you just click replace selection. And then you have your text right there inside of the column. And now you're editing, or you're using the power of these two together that make the perfect match, these two AI tools, to create a lead opt-in page or a squeeze page or even a bonus page with the ability to create these cool graphics over inside of Napkin that we did right here, or just even use the step-by-step creation, or the text that Napkin created. But again, the power that you're getting here inside of Lead Creator is the ability to set up email capture. Right here, you have different email capture forms: standard, ebook style, blurred button, video. You also have the ability to turn off the capture form if you want, but the idea is to set up and capture right here the name and the email. And with these different integrations built right here, baked right into Lead Creator AI, you have the ability to add an email address to any and all of these different email autoresponders or CRMs that you might use. So Lead Creator AI, Napkin AI, the perfect match for building your email list and making money online. Thanks for watching this one. I'll see you in the next one, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.